This is Eric with Mother.com, and this video being recorded as the market opens for August 15th, 2019, after yesterday's 800 down move in the Dow. Let's take a look at how markets are looking on the monthly. So we can see on the monthly here, as of right now, the market is down about, let's call about 4.8%. And what I'm going to do is there are going to be 3 video links in the description of this video. 3 video links in the description of this video, and they're going to be videos I recorded towards the end of July coming into this month. So that's video number 1. Video number 2 is right here, again coming into this month, which has turned to be a down month. The other video is here. And for those of you who trade cryptos, here's another video. Again, all of these videos are going to be in the description of this video. This is the only way I could deliver 3 videos in one video. So check the description of this video for all these 3 videos coming into this month and the things I was looking at. Now, of course, nobody ever knows where the market is going unless you're an insider. But if you like the way I positioned my paid subscribers, after you watch those 3 videos, then I'm running a special that is going to expire at the end of today. So running a special, if you like what I'm doing for paid subscribers, take a look at the special. And this special is only good until midnight of today, August the 15th. And again, I guess nowadays they call them flash sales. So this is Eric with Mother.com. 3 links in the description of this video. Otherwise, let's see how things go as far as US and world markets are concerned as we go into the last half of 2019. And let me finish here with a quick question for you. And this is the S&P 500 weekly. The question is, do you know what it means when a market is moving below RSI 50 on any time frame? And oh yeah, before I forget, as part of my service, you're going to get access to more than 2,000 videos, a long list of exclusive concepts that I have personally researched over the years. So you're going to get a lot of educational videos that are not on my YouTube channel, but are only here for paid subscribers. So lots of videos. Study at your own pace as much as you want. And this is going to be exclusively only available for paid Moathe.com subscribers. Eric with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. I'll see.